Hello, my name is Elizabeth Ingero, and in under 2 minutes I'm going to show you how to create a sequence in Premiere Pro and to create in and out points to pull into a sequence. Let's get the counter on and we shall begin. So obviously you've imported your files into Premiere Pro right here, and you've got the files that you want to use and exactly the images and the music and whatever you want to use in there. What you need to then do is just drag any of your video files. That's a video file here. You can see the icon with the purple and the waveform there, and you want to pull it across and drop it. Now once you do that, it will give you two bars, two tracks. One at the top, you can see it says V1. It says V1 there. That's for your video track 1, and you've got A1, that's for your audio track 1. So it's got an audio and a video to go with it. And you have created a sequence. Now, next thing you can do is if you want to add something else to it, you can double click here in your bin, double click in there, and it will give you what you have there at the top there. It will sort of whatever you have in that file, it will show you at the top there. So I've got this file here. Okay, and if I wanted to just get it from, let's say, this bit here behind the scenes, all I need to do is click on I, and you can see it creates an in point there, and then you drag it to wherever you want to stop. Again, I could stop there, for example, press O, and to bring that into your sequence, you click on this icon here, which is your you just click on this big file here actually at the top. You click on this and you pull it in, and you've got that small section there that allows you to just bring in the little bit that you want. There you go, and that is done. We've got 14 seconds left, which is great. So I will quickly tell you that if you wanted to just bring the audio file, for example, instead of just bringing both of them, if you wanted to just bring the audio, you click on this, and if you want to bring the video, you click on that. 2 minutes done with some extra information for you. So there you have it. You have been able to, in under 2 minutes, bring in and create a sequence. So you bring a file from your bin or from your folders into the project, and then also you can bring it from the top with using the in and out points as well, so you get specific information that you want into your timeline. So now I'll be going into more details. So let's just switch over to this, and I'm going to repeat that whole process. For those of you who would like to follow along, you can do that. So let's just delete this. I'm just going to click on it and backspace, delete that. And that was the sequence we created there. So it has that sort of view or marker on it. That's what the sequence looks like. You know, that's a sequence there. So I'm going to delete that because we created that, didn't we? So back to square one. What you need to do is you get your video file. I always recommend, if you are working on a video project, to import a video file to start off with rather than an image or something like that, because whatever you put across into your project timeline, which is this is your timeline here, this box, whatever you put in there, it will pick up the format and the specifications, and it will use that as the specifications for the whole project, for the whole sequence. So what you want to do then, if you're doing a video, whatever you're doing, a video that you're creating and you're editing a video, just pick a video here. The videos have the purple and the green sort of waveforms. So I'm just going to grab a video there, hold it with the left click and pull it across, drop it. So I've got my video file and I've got my audio file there together. Let's just play that and see what we've got. Beautiful. So to move along as well, you can just drag this instead of playing the whole thing. You could do that, which is great. And then if I've, decided that the video is perfect, I don't need to do anything else to it, and I just want to put, let's say, maybe my don't forget to subscribe, and actually don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well, then all you do is you go to whatever it was, don't forget to subscribe or whatever, and you can see I've already created in and out points for this previously. So what I could do is I can, let me just clear that. I can go to wherever I want it to start. So I could put it there, for example. Okay, and I can press in and go to where I want it to finish and press out. And then I click on the main screen where you can see the video, just hold it and you pull it down. There you go, Bob's your uncle. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press plus, because that allows me to see that it's really all connected. And I'm going to go to the end and then play it and see how it works together. There you go, perfect. So that is how to create your in and out points and bring it across, and how to create a sequence. And that's enough for this video. I will be seeing you in the next video when we'll do our 2-minute challenge to get a piece of information for you within that 2-minute slot, or 2 pieces. Usually I try and do that, give you an extra bonus. And then what I do afterwards is I will go into more details, slower pace, and show you how it is done so that you can follow that at home. Well, hopefully this has been a useful video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like, put your comments below. So if you have any comments, if you'd like to share how you do it on your Premiere Pro system, or any tips or hacks, then kindly put that in the comment section below, share it to your friends, and let's keep learning together. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.